Hi friends, on Canasta Class channel, I'm teaching you step-by-step in how to play Modern American Canasta. Be sure to click below and subscribe, and also click the bell so you don't miss any new videos I post and when I go live.
The objective of the game. The objective of the game is to create canastas, which are 7 cards. But your initial objective is to create an opening meld, and that's based on your cumulative score. So this is our first round of the game, and our opening initial meld is 125 points. So here in my hand, it is my turn. I have to pick a card, and I actually have the opening point value. So if you put down 50 points for the joker, 20 points for the 2, that's 50, 60, 70, an ace is 20, 70, 80, 90, another ace is 20, that's 110, plus 10, 20, 30. So I have more than enough, I think. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40. I have 140. The initial meld must consist of 3 natural cards and then additional cards to create the additional points. In this case, I have 140 points. Therefore, I meet the initial meld. Now I will discard a card that I don't need. And in this case, I'm going to go with the 5. After I discard, because I was the first team to open up with my initial meld, I get the talon, which is 4 cards. And I get this after I discard because I'm low on cards now, and to continue playing the game, I wouldn't have enough cards. Here are my cards that I picked up. Now the game continues to the player on my left.
Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. On this Canasta channel, there are other videos that are great resources that will help you to learn how to play Modern American Canasta. Check them out. Contact me now to take a live and engaging in-person class if you live in Monmouth and Ocean County, New Jersey. Or I also have virtual classes. Contact me at mahjongclass@yahoo.com for this fun and stress-free beginner's class, or strategy classes are also offered. Comment below if you found this helpful. Share any questions you have. I'd love it if you share this video with friends. Thank you as always for watching these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.